Because URL is correct. Click on the URL. Click on. I already checked this, 4225 and 8895. So after this, deploy equals to 1, is there an extra space or anything? No, right? Can you try now? Click send. This 200 is okay, right? Yeah. But we got the data in this format. Which I don't think is JSON. What we are returning is JSON. Stringify. Okay. Now the skip part is fine. This is the format. We are returning it. It should be in JSON, by the way. But this has not hurt you. Okay. Let's try the post part also. We'll see why the response is looking like this. Can you change the same thing? Can you change the method to post? We'll have to pass the field value, field name, everything right. That's the parameter. And the parameters. So record type is okay, customer. Now field name and field value. Should we pass it as body? Let me see. Yeah, so record type customer. Field. Name and field value. Would be. Yeah, so let's pass field name. Put the parameter? Is that, let me think you, the value exactly? Here and. No, I remove ID. You can hear me right? Yeah, I can remove this ID. Let's pass the field name and email. What should we do if you want to make it as a body? No. Where is the script getting executed from here? You can go to Netsuite and see, but we did not put any log. Let me put a line where you can at least see the log. Yeah. Let me put that. Okay, this is logged out again. Great.